How to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard toolbar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. So after click on general management, scroll down and click on Samsung keyboard settings. So after click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and you will see keyboard toolbar button is here. So if you want to turn off keyboard toolbar, so turn off this button, you will see keyboard toolbar is turn off. So if you want to turn on keyboard toolbar, so turn on this button, you will see keyboard toolbar is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off toolbar keyboard from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard toolbar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.